Welcome back. We are continuing the news. Brace for traffic delays in Portmore St. Catherine next week. That caution from the National Works Agency as it prepares to pave the road from Municipal Boulevard to Helshaw in the coming days as part of plans to reduce traffic congestion in the Sunshine City. Krista Campbell reports.
This kind of traffic that's typical in the Sunshine City of Portmore St. Catherine is expected to get much worse when work crews start paving sections of the road from Municipal Boulevard to Helshaw near the Hongway Mall next week. Manager of Communications at the National Works Agency, NWA, Stephen Shaw, says it's part of plans to reduce the traffic gridlock over time.
We had completed much of the paving activities along Brayton Parkway, but at this particular point, at the intersection of Brayton Parkway and Municipal Boulevard, we are doing extensive work to widen the intersection.
He says the Works Agency is considering adding a turning lane from Price March to Municipal Boulevard so motorists don't get stuck in the lanes that are going straight across that intersection.
We are adding lanes. We are going to be widening one of the structures in this space to facilitate same. So along Municipal Boulevard, for example, the intention is to have 5 lanes to facilitate traffic. So we'll have a dedicated left turn lane heading from the direction of Municipal Boulevard to the Brayton Parkway.
But even as the work progresses, a hurdle that's delaying how quickly the discomfort to motorists will be over.
The discovery of what seemed to be a cave beneath the road in a section that we're actually widening. And so we have had to engage other entities of government to include the Mines and Geology Department, the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, because we believe, we don't know as to the extent of what lies beneath in that particular cave.
He says once the necessary investigations are completed, drains will be installed along the roadway. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.